Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hide status and navigation bars on your screenshots. You have to go for Settings, scroll down and move for Advanced Features, then tap on the Screenshots and Screen Recorder. Right now we got here option Hide Status and Navigation Bars, and to activate this option and hide status, and hide both bars, just tap right here, and when you take a screenshot, just like that. Okay, let's take it our time. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. So right now when you open the screenshot, for example in the gallery, we don't have here any bars, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.